Now the presenting new 3D printer. Print everything in 3D way. Print your own structure in 3D. Everything you can print in this printer. It's available on Amazon, Flipkart, every online sector you can purchase this. It's very easy to install in own idea. It's very easy to assemble in this machine. Everything available in the packing. Installation process are available in the packing. After the successful installation, then you can print your structure through the pen drive chips. Very easy to print, you can watch this. Everything you can print in this 3D printer. You can print in any 3D statue in this 3D printer. And print in your 3D statue, customer 3D statue, and the maximum profit in this business. Can get the 3D way to print your own idea and get the maximum profit and maximum value in this business 3D printing. You can print in flying kits, everything you can print. You can print also gift item in every occasion and get higher profit. It also highly demanding in future. Everybody can see everything in 3D way. That's why it's maximum profitable and maximum demanding business in future. Get this and build your wall in 3D way.